it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today we have our monthly Hero Arts kit, and as always there are two videos. This is the first one of the two where I am going through the contents of the kit, and then the second one will be the project made with the contents of this kit. Now, I haven't seen it. As always, I wait to open it with you guys. So as always, they wrap it in this beautiful tissue. It's a different colour every time, and again, as always, I say it just makes it like a lovely little present that you receive. It's so nice. So I'm going to put this bit to one side. That's usually the stamps and dies, and we're going to take a look at this bit, which is extras. So let's see what we've got this time. So first of all, we got some gorgeous card, which is 5.5 by 8.5. So that will make your standard, is it A2 card in America? So it'd be 5.5 by 4.25 when folded. So you've got some in this beautiful blue. I really like this blue. And actually, so you've got two sheets of each. The blue is much heavier weight than the green. Then we've got blue pearl embossing powder. So what I'm assuming is that when you heat this, that you get like this bluey as opposed to the green tones. You know, when you have glitter, it's got like a green tone to it, but you can't see anything on here right now. It's just like really gritty. I mean, it's not very easy to see what that's going to be like. So apart from the fact that I put it everywhere. So I'm not quite sure what that's about yet, but we'll no doubt find out. And then we've got some gorgeous ink pads here called My Monthly Hero. Okay, so I didn't find out about the inks, so I'm assuming because they're called My Monthly Hero, that's just because they're in the kit, which is called My Monthly Hero Arts Kit. So I don't know if they're specially made for the kits. I can't see the colours as inks anywhere on their website, so I'm not quite sure. I'm just assuming at this point that they're just regular ink, but as I say, if anybody knows the answer to that, then that would be great to know. As for the two bits of cardstock, what I did find out is these are actually the two new card colours that have been introduced to the Hero Hues cardstock, and this is Meadow and this is Lapis. So we've got a little bit more information on there, and I have to say I think the Lapis seems a very nice weight indeed. So let's just have a quick little peek at the colours here. So we've got here, whoa, very inky, cocoa, sorry, sandstone, and we have, let's do cocoa next so we can compare. Oh gosh, that's virtually black. I imagine when you stamp it, it won't be quite as strong as that. Then we have forest, beautiful green, and I'll get this a bit closer to you in a minute. And then we have lime green, and then dusty blue, which is a beautiful blue. And the lime green on there, at least, but obviously this will be a lot darker, that appears to go really nicely with this meadow, and this blue goes beautifully with the lapis. So here we have the colours just a little bit closer for you, and you can see now they're drying out, they're just getting a little less dark as well. But also when you damp the ink straight down onto your card like that, it is always a little bit more intense than if you stamped with it. So that's the colours there. So now let's get to our stamps and dies. So as always, we have some sort of ribbon, and then let's have a look what we've actually got today. So on this side we have the dies, which will all go with the stamps. So we've got here the that's layering. Look, we've got a couple of layers here on this, which is really nice. I don't think I've seen this so far on the stamps that I've had from the kits. I mean, obviously Hero Arts are very known for doing layering stamps, but we've got here like the pontoon, and we've got water, we've got the trees, kids jumping in, beautiful mountain, fisherman. So loads of things. Oh, some ducks, a fish itself, so we can actually be catching a fish, and some really cool sentiments as well. So that's those, and then we've got the dies. I'm just trying to see. I'm assuming that this one fits that. That looks like that is on its own. That doesn't belong to any of those in particular. So that's going to give us some ground. This is like in the distance. So this will probably give us some, either some distance hills or some grass and greenery at the front here. We've obviously got the pontoon thing there. We've got the fishermen, the kids, the reeds, the mountains, the trees. There's two there. So there's quite a few bits to cut out on this one, but always, as always, very beautifully detailed dies and stamps. Okay, so there is the kit and its contents. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at those. As always, there will be a project video showing a project using the contents of this kit. If you want to see that, then the easiest way to find it is to either use there'll be like a little thumbnail of it at the end of this video, or you can go to the paragraph below this video if you're on YouTube, and where it says show more, click on that and it will open up that paragraph, and there'll be a link there saying corresponding blog post. On that blog post, which is specific to this video and the project video, it will have both videos on the one post, so you'll be able to find them both at the same place, plus photographs of the finished project, and also links to all the products used as well. And also I would love it while you're there if you would subscribe to me, because if you do, you will make sure that you get notified instantly there is a post, and that is all you'll get notified about as well. But if you don't want to do it on there, then I would love it if you click subscribe if you haven't on here as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will come back and see the project video as well, but in the meantime, thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.